we're going to be exploring evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, also known as our water cycle. For this experiment, we need a saucepan lid, some ice cubes, and a stove. If students are doing this experiment at home, make sure they are supervised with this stove part.
So first, we are going to take our ice cubes, which is a solid state of water, and we are going to pour them into our saucepan. Then we will put the saucepan on the stove and turn the stove on high. What you can see here is the ice is starting to melt because of the heat from the stove, and the water in the saucepan will begin to boil. Now, if you look closely, you can start to see the steam, which is also known as water vapor, and it is coming up from the boiling water. This is called evaporation. So, when water is evaporated, it turns into water vapor and expands. The heat of the stove made the water boil, creating steam to come up, which is the process of a liquid turning into a gas. Now I'm going to take the saucepan lid and I'm going to now put it on top of the saucepan, and we're going to see what's going to happen. Take a look underneath the saucepan lid. Can you see all of those water droplets? Since the warm water vapor is hitting the cooler saucepan lid, the water vapor condenses and forms these water droplets. This is called condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor becomes cool in the air, and it is when water is in its gas form and then changes into a liquid. These water droplets come together and form clouds, the ones you see in the sky. Now look closely. If I tilt the saucepan this way, what we can see is the water droplets running down and off the lid, going right back into the saucepan with the boiling water. This represents precipitation. Now when clouds become too heavy, and remember, clouds are filled with condensed water, the water then falls to the ground, which is also known as rain. And that is the water cycle experiment.